Hello, this is Which to Choose. You may think the best printer is the one with the most features, but that's not always true. To find the right printer for you, you need to think about how much printing you need and how often you need to print. In today's video, we'll review 3 of the best printers in their class. In third place, we selected Canon SELPHY CP1300 printer. The Canon SELPHY CP1300 is a simple and fast portable printer to print from your PC, mobile device, or camera. The SELPHY is not as compact as a pocket printer but offers a larger print size, different connectivity, and a much better print quality. The Canon SELPHY CP1300 offers many choices of connections to print your photos. It is possible to print from a USB cable, from a Wi-Fi connected device or direct connection, from an SD card where the camera connected to USB, or from a PIC bridge compatible device. Access to the paper tray is hidden behind 2 doors and you can put up to 18 sheets, knowing that an ink cartridge outputs 36 prints. The paper must be inserted glossy side up. You will then need to close the inner cover but leave the outer one open. As usual, if you want to get more details on this product or on the other products of our selection, go to the bottom of the description to access directly to the link to get it or to access our other videos on the YouTube channel. In second place, we selected Canon PIXMA G6050, a multifunctional inkjet printer. The Canon PIXMA G6050 is ultra-economical, which, in addition to professional print quality, allows intensive printing at a competitive cost per page. This printer is self-contained and reliable for your everyday printing needs. It is primarily aimed at users who want to print documents, images and photos regularly or even intensively at a low cost per page. The purchase cost is relatively high, but the cost per page is very low. If printed regularly, the investment should be worthwhile. For example, a bottle of color ink costs about €10 and can print up to 7,700 color pages. And finally, our top 1, Epson EcoTank ET8500. The Epson EcoTank Photo ET8500 printer prints great photos, letters, or business documents for pennies, making it a great choice for families and small offices that print a lot of photos. The ET5800 measures 6.4 by 15.9 by 14.5 inches, HWD, and weighs 18.5 pounds. This weight is comparable to most of its competitors. The latter is more business-oriented, so it comes with a 20-sheet automatic document feeder, ADF, to send multi-page documents to the scanner. The ADF of the HP SmartTank Plus 651 can hold up to 35 pages. However, like the ET8550 and PIXMA G6020, the photo-focused ET8500 does not have an ADF, limiting scanning and copying to 1 page at a time. As usual, if you want to get more details on this product or on the other products of our selection, go to the bottom of the description to access directly to the link to get it or to access our other videos on the YouTube channel. We leave here. It was Which to Choose to serve you, and we say to the next one.